Never destroyed a dosa like this before, really got stuck. First dosa is a disaster. Cut it, cut it, cut! Radhe is a very adventurous cook. So I'm trying to make it little less adventurous for the victims. Not my dosa day, but it'll still taste good. Go and round dosa from the hotel. Eat and do ha, hoo, ha, ha. Hey, shoot her, huh? Not bad, a quick learner, huh? This dough has been specially prepared by me. Who's going to eat this? Inevitably, one who is already enslaved, I'll have to give it to her only, because nobody's saying yes. Shall I pack it in this and give you, huh? Be a slave for your life. Ragi is the most female-friendly cereal you can consume.